I have always wanted to try gold and metallic watercolor paints, and I just never got around to finding the right brand. Today I got myself some metallic watercolor paints, and I wanted to do a review and painting with the Derwent metallic paint set. So I hope you join me. This is the paint set that I bought. I got it at Staples, and I'm just going to open it. And this is what the pan set looks like. Let's open it up. In it, it shows me what colors there are. So we've got the pocket. This is the metallic paint pan pocket set. These are the colors it comes with. So I like that it has a variety of colors, specifically gold and silver. It also has sunset, which kind of looks like gold and then pale gold. So I'm glad, because I love all those colors. If you watch my videos, you can see I really am into the gold paint. And this is what the set looks like. It has a plastic cover on it, so I could just take that off. Let's see if I could get it off. Yeah. So I just take this plastic cover off, and I guess I'm ready to go. It has a sponge here, and it comes with its own paintbrush that I could use. I'm just going to fill it with water, and then I'll get started and we'll see how it works. We're just going to do a little swatch test for each of these. This is the pale gold. I just did that one. Now I'm going to do the gold. I really like the gold. I'm going to move on to the silver. I'm trying not to get these colors mixed together. This is the ice blue. I'm going to do a close-up after I've gotten all the paint swatches down. Metallic blue. Green. And if you're wondering, I did these outlines with a Sharpie marker because they're not water soluble, so I don't have to worry about it running when I have the paint on the paper. Next, I have lime gold. I like having different color golds to choose from. I really like it. It's like, I don't know, grayish gold, even though it says lime. I really like it. I'm a huge fan of gold. I use gold in almost all of my paintings. Now I have sunset. I was interested in what the sunset looks like. That's a bronzy color, isn't it? Or maybe brassy. And then we've got red. It looks kind of pink to me, but let's see. It's red, but it kind of, I don't know, it looks pinkish, but that's okay. Then I've got pink. Okay. Now we've got a purple. Let's see what the purple, I think the more water I use, like if I water it down too much, it takes away the shimmer. Last but not least, it's graphite. It's not very metallic to me. I don't know if you can see that. That does not look metallic to me at all. From what I can see, this looks metallic, this looks metallic, this looks metallic, and so does this. This is iffy, but I still love that color. All the golds and the silver had a nice metallic shimmer to it, if you have it. The rest of them, and I'm sorry, but Bear has decided to pay us a visit. The rest of them are not as shimmery. If you're looking for metallic gold, silver, and that rusty color, these are great. If you're looking for colors that are metallic, I'm not really feeling it as much. Now let's get onto it and see how these look when I do a watercolor painting. I think he's settling in. We'll have to work around him. This is the final result. I would say that these particular watercolor paints are a medium shimmer. The golds, the silvers, and the bronze had the most obvious shimmer that you can see here. I liked how creamy in texture they were and how they easily went onto the paper. I like the way it looks. I love that red. It's a nice dark red for the lips, and the pink is great for the cheeks. So I'll be using this set again. It's also easy to carry and store. It's not overly large, but I definitely think there's enough there that it'll last you a while. I also liked this because for me personally, I can do the eyes and the lips and just like the smaller details, which is probably what the metallic watercolor is for anyway, is for accents and details. The brush was definitely a bonus. I'll be using that all the time. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great day, and leave me a comment.